Ako po si Felix Morada, DT operator ng Monjet dito sa Robinsons ng Baliches. Na may 89 meters kaming na-print dito as of this week. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit. Ito po ang heads. Cupping. 80% pa namang good and working. Last na palitan yung heads nito is no October 2023 po, last year. Head clean natin is strong. Punas wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Waste ink tank nalinis ng Friday at ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung weekly consumable natin. Workload. Inventory. Nagamit na ink magenta. 30cm film. White ink. Sa yellow. Cyan. Black. Powder. Ito naman po sa weekly natin. Printer dahil checklist. Maraming salamat po.